Hello class 5. Today we are going to learn the measurement of area by simple calculation. So in page number 143 there is a challenge question given to you. Okay, in page number 143 this is the question. Alright, so I am showing you how to do this particular figure, how to find the area of this particular figure, figure A. Alright, so this is the figure and you have to find the area of this figure A. In this kind of figure where it's, this is not given any geometrical figure, okay, but we will divide it into small rectangles. So over here this line is drawn over here, okay, so that the whole figure is divided into two rectangles, okay, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. So first thing is we'll find the area of this rectangle, rectangle 1, and then we'll find the area of this rectangle, rectangle 2, and then we'll add both the areas, then we'll get the area of this figure A. Alright, so over here we can see that the length is 20 meters and the width is 4 meters. So we know that in order to find the area of rectangle, we need to multiply the length with the width or length with the breadth. Okay, so area of rectangle 1 is equal to 20 meters into 44 meters, which will give us 80 meter squared as the answer. Now for rectangle 2, this is the rectangle. Its width or breadth is not given. This 9 meters is the breadth of the entire thing from here to here. And if this is 4 meter, that means this is also 4 meter. And if this is 4 meter, then from here to here, this portion to this portion will be equal to 9 minus 4. That will be equal to 5 meters. So from here to here, it's 5 meters. And this portion is 10 meters. It's given out here. So the area of this rectangle 2 can be obtained by simply multiplying this 5 and this 10. Okay, so this is equal to 10 meters into 5 meters, which will be equal to 50 meter square. Okay, so the area of this figure will be equal to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. So let's add and find the area of figure A. That is equal to 80 plus 50, and when you add, this will be equal to 130 meter squared. So the answer for this one is 130 meter squared. Okay, so this work you have to show in your exercise book. You cannot do this in the book itself because there is no space. Okay, so this has to be done in the exercise book. Again, I'm going to show you this figure, figure B, where there are three rectangles. If you see properly, this is the first rectangle. Let's say this is rectangle 1. There's a small rectangle over here, rectangle 2, and this is the third rectangle, rectangle 3. So in order to find the area of this figure B, we will divide it into three rectangles. So the first rectangle, its area will be obtained by multiplying this length 15 meters with this breadth 5 meters. So when you multiply, you'll get 15 into 5 is equal to 75 meter squared. So this is the area of the first rectangle. Second rectangle is this one. 1 meter is from here to here. This gap is 1 meter. This will be taken as the breadth. 3 meters is the length. Okay, so area of rectangle 2 is equal to 1 meter into 3 meter. When you multiply this 1 with 3, you'll get 3 meter squared. That is the area of this small rectangle. Then we have the third rectangle, this one, okay, where this breadth is equal to 1 meter and the length is equivalent to this length, 15 meters. Okay, so when you multiply this, area of rectangle is equal to 15 meters into 1 meters, which will be equal to 15 meter squared. So these are the areas of three rectangles, and if you add them up, it will be the area of figure B. So which is equal to 75 plus 3 plus 15 meters squared, which is equal to 93 meter squared. So the assignment for you all is to do the challenge question from page number 143 Whatever figures are left out, you have to find the area of those figures. Thank you.